a time where small is in, reduced, more economical vehicles are more and more desirable. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice massive power for your audio system. The Precision Power ion amplifiers pack huge amounts of power into small chassis thanks to marvelously efficient full-range Class D topology and SMT technology. Complemented with every possible preamp adjustment, the Ion series leaves nothing to be desired. The Ion family receives a 4-channel model with built-in Bluetooth for streaming audio. Seamlessly connect your smartphone or other enabled smart device for continuous audio playback at your fingertips. This is a huge addition to off-road vehicles, motorcycles, or personal watercraft overlooking a music source unit. The Bluetooth model also comes with a pass-through cable to connect additional amplifiers to complete a daisy chain configuration. Absolutely state-of-the-art mobile audio. Go and check out precisionpower.com for all available models and specifications. Thanks!